Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking for One. My name is John. Tonight I have made a fresh garden salad. I have tomatoes, peppers, celery, and cucumbers. And I have this amazing lettuce, rainbow chard, and Swiss chard from my tower garden, which is amazing. I just picked this off the tower garden. I will put that in my salad in a minute. And I baked some cod in my toaster oven. And I have Brussels sprouts. And so basically I microwaved the Brussels sprouts in a couple ounces of water for about 5 minutes. Cut them in half so they cook faster. The cod, a little parsley and some olive oil. Baked it on 350 for about 20 minutes. And very quick, simple, inexpensive. And if that wasn't enough, I have my capsules of berries, vegetables, and fruit, and an omega capsule to make sure I get all the nutrients my body needs. So there you go. The prep time was about 20 minutes. The cooking time was about 20 minutes. So very quick, inexpensive meal. And that's it. Very simple, easy, quick, inexpensive meal. So there you go. It's going to be tasty. All right. Until next time, bon appetit.